Welcome to our tiny kitchen. Today we're making a yummy veggie burger. Let's start cooking. Fresh vegetables make the best burgers. Everything looks delicious. Let's cook.
Chop!
Chop, 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 chop. So fresh. Perfect slices. Perfect slices.
Chop!
Add some tasty vegetables. Mix everything together. Our veggie patty is ready. Listen to that sizzle. Smells amazing. Golden brown. Toast the buns. Nice and crispy. Cheese time.
Fresh lettuce!
Colorful veggies.
Our burger is perfect!
Crispy fries. So crunchy, so crunchy. Perfect. Our meal is ready.
It looks delicious. Let's serve it. Thanks for watching!
See you next time. Bye-bye.